Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to swing a golf iron. Start with a balanced stance, shoulders square, and the ball slightly forward of center. Grip the club lightly and keep wrists relaxed to allow natural hinge. Focus on a smooth takeaway with the club head low and slow, maintaining a steady head. Breathe and commit to a controlled tempo instead of trying to muscle the shot. Warm up by making half swings to feel the rotation in your torso. Turn your shoulders and keep your front knee braced to build coil without over-rotating the hips. Hinge your wrists naturally at the top and check that the club is on plane rather than across your body. Keep your spine angle constant to prevent sway and maintain a smooth rhythm so the downswing flows from the ground up. Begin the downswing by shifting weight toward your front foot while letting your hips lead the motion. Drop the club onto the proper inside path to catch the ball before the turf and compress it for crisp distance. Keep your head quiet and eyes on the ball until after impact, then extend through the shot and hold a balanced finish. Practice with half swings to groove this sequence and build consistency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.